In this video, I will show you how to buy Robux on Roblox, so let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the process does apply if you're using a mobile device, but the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a browser, come across to roblox.com and log into your account. From here, what you're going to want to do, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see the symbol for Robux up here. So what you want to do is click onto this. And as you can see, I've currently got no Robux. So if you go underneath, you can see the buy Robux option. So what you want to do is press onto this first. And that's going to go ahead and take you to the purchase page. So you can see all these different packages available. Now, if you do a subscription, they do offer a subscription, which is like a paid monthly subscription, and you do get slightly more Robux. But if you just want to make a one-off purchase, then you want to come across to this site here. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and go for 400 Robux. So I'm just going to click on this to start the purchase process. Now, if you have a star code, you can also enter this here by clicking here to add to that code. Once you've done that, you're going to see a list of the available payment methods. Of course, this does depend on which country you're in. But you can see for myself in the UK, I've got credit card, debit card, PayPal, Roblox card and Amazon Pay, as well as some other options. What I'm going to do is just click onto credit card. And what it's going to do is going to take you across to the payment screen. So all you would do from here is go ahead and enter your information, so like your email address. This is to receive a payment receipt, as well as your card information. If you're doing like PayPal, it's going to ask you to log into PayPal and authorize the payment through PayPal. And once you've gone ahead and enter your details, all you need to do is click the green pay button at the bottom. And if you want to, you can save your payment method for future purchases, just save you entering this again. Once you've gone ahead and click pay, that's going to go ahead and purchase the Robux, for my case 400 Robux, and that's going to be added to your account instantly. So that's how to go ahead and buy Robux on Roblox. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.